What is up, everybody? It's your boy Limited Snipers back again with another video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, you guys may think I'm not playing Fortnite, but I'm playing Fortnite in Roblox. So let's get started. So, don't listen. I will say that. Oh, I died. Hold up. I just died. I just died, so let me reset. Don't reset. I just died. Let me just get this person. Let me just float down and I'm floating down, guys. I'm gonna float down, and this is really bad because I just started, so I'm gonna play this, and oh my god, there's people that are pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty darn good. They're pretty darn good for the Fortnite. Let me just get this, and let me also drink this, because I know I'm gonna need that. So, let me just kill this person. Yes, now I will die a couple times, but you know what? It's fine. I'm just new. No, I'm just new to Fortnite, guys, so bear with me. Yeah, I am. This is a really hard version of it. Yeah, let me shoot these people. Oh, whoa. Yes, that's right. Yeah, he's playing Fortnite too. I'm playing the cheat version, but you get the point. Play Fortnite, people. Play it. It's fun. Play it. So my friends that thought I was not playing Fortnite, I am playing Fortnite. Let me just lock on this target and kill this dude, because he's gonna try and kill me. I know it. Let me just kill this dude here, because I know he's gonna try and kill me. Let me get my gun out and finish this dude off. Boy, that's right. Flippin' don't glitch. Oh, he's got a shield potion on. Crap. This dude yep, this dude don't even have shield potion. Dang. Like, he doesn't even have a shield potion. Why did these people not even have a shield potion? This is bad. When you don't even have a shield potion. You only use it when it comes in handy. And right now, I know mine's gonna come in handy, so I'm gonna need it. Because mine's gonna come in handy, and this dude's trying to kill me, so I know this lady right here is gonna try and kill me. Too late, you didn't drink your shield potion in a good timing. Nobody drinks their shield potion in a good timing. That's bad. And that's bad when you don't even do it right. I'm gonna loot a bit, but let me loot a bit, because I'm gonna loot a bit. shoot this dude. She did. Crap, he put on a shield potion. Nah, he put on a shield potion. Crap. Okay. Oh. He put on a shield potion. It'll wear off very soon. Yep, see? It's wearing off. His shield potion just wore off. Oh yeah, dude. You need the parachute. Don't forget your parachute. Only use your your shield potion when it's necessary. Like if someone's trying to kill you or something. Or if you're low on health, use that. Then use your shield potion. Use your shield. Use your shield potion. It'll protect you. It'll protect you. No, it'll protect you for very limited source of time. Yes, this is... if you got a person trying to run, and they're trying to get away from you killing them, you just kill them. Crap, you also have a rocket launcher and a pickaxe, just to let you know. Yeah. Do you still have your healing potion or your potion of invisibility? It's the thing, you just recycle, but she drank that good timing, but her shield potion just went bad. Where are you? I'll show you. Where are you? Okay, I know someone's coming to me, and I don't have a flippin' shield potion right now, which is really bad. Because I need it. Yeah, I don't even have a shield potion, so that's really bad. Wait, did you even equip your shield potion? Oh crap. Yo, take health. Oh crap. Whoa, oh. Yeah, I know. Watch out, we got this dude. This dude's pretty decent at it. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. Come on. Oh my god. Don't pull out your parachute. That's only for when you come out the bus. Go get supplies. Go find supplies. I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out also. Right now I'm mostly getting kills though. I guess just try and find supplies. I know, I got someone that's right there. Yeah, got somebody too, yo. We got a person with a shield potion, but okay. Yo, I'm not even dodging this. This is hard. I died. You get him. Oh my god. Yo. Same. Oh crap. I died. I died again. Hold on. I don't know. I just reset. So let me get my parachute and I'll come and help. Let me get my, yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I got a bullet, but, yo, I should do this more often now. This is really fun. Okay, crap. Let me, shoot some people, cause, yo, I'm in this dude. This dude's getting hit. Yo, make sure you use your shield potion decent timing. Ah, crud. Oh, crud. Crap. I knew he was gonna try and kill me. I knew he was gonna try and kill me. I knew it. No, I knew this guy was gonna try and kill me. 'Cause he's right here by the tree. He's right by the tree. He's right there. Yo, he's right there, right by the tree. Yo, there we go. Yo, I need a shield potion. Crap. Yo, there we go. I just got a shield potion. That, I don't know. This dude's got no shield potion on whatsoever. Neither does this lady. This person doesn't even have a shield potion. Dang. And I thought I was good. Nah, man. Dude, these people don't even have flipping, like, shield potions, man. It's bad. It's bad when you don't even use your shield potion. Dude, use your shield potion. Use your shield potion. Crap. Yeah, Oh my god, there's like a lot of flipping. Yo, I got health too. Yo, someone's over this way, which I see him. So I'm trying to hit him actually. Do you think this is dope, dude? Like, is this good? Yo, this girl, Rainbow, she didn't even see me. Dude, how do you not even see a Fortnite player? That's insane. How do you not even see a Fortnite player? That's literally the question. Yeah, like, how do you not even see a Fortnite player right in front of you? How do you not even see a Fortnite player right in front of you? Yo, are you dying? Do you still have your health? Crap. I'm all the way at spawn still, but damn, this person's trying to take away my flipping health, dude. Like, I would swear to God, she's trying to take my health, dude. Like, I'm being focusing. Like, yeah, I'm like on a really long bridge. Oh, cool. No problem. I don't have my health potion, or my shield potion, but yeah, I know. How do you run? Okay. Yo, this person has no shield potion. Crap, he has no shield potion. He has no. Don't. I'm always shooting you. Oh my god. Watch out. Crap, I got this. Just spawn. Come on. Come on, yes! Yo, where are you? I'm over by the red building. Yeah, I'm coming there. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Hold on, I'm recording!